HP Pavilion 15.6-inch touchscreen gaming laptop. Reviewed deal discount unboxing setup. Best hardware available for the price. Microsoft Windows operating system is the worst part of this device. I upgraded to Linux for almost 5 times faster performance and increased reliability. I am happy customer. I can say that I'm very happy with it. Touchscreen is perfect. I don't use it for gaming, only for work, Honda technician, and it has been running beautifully. Battery life is great. I did add a solid-state hard drive to make it a bit faster, and wow, what a difference. I only added the SSD as instructed by my IT guy, and I'm glad I did. Another great product from HP. My computer arrived on time in excellent condition. I have had no problems with it in the first month. I am very satisfied with my purchase. The design. The Pavilion X360 HP sent over was clearly meant to stand out, with its bold candy apple red case. And the HP 15 tons touch is clearly meant to stand out too. The specs. Like the Pavilion X360, the HP 15 tons touch is pretty much neck and neck with the Dell Inspiron 15 5000 series as far as performance goes. It's a tough call, but I'd say the HP 15 tons touch is overall the best sub-$500 laptop. Other laptops come close, the Dell Inspiron 15 5000 and HP's own Pavilion X360 11T are both great all-around machines, and the Toshiba Satellite C55C obviously takes the performance crown. But damn, the 15 tons touch is a gorgeous machine. I was impressed with the look of the 15 tons touch as soon as I pulled it out of the box, and aside from its penchant for fingerprints, I'm still impressed with it days later. And considering it has a great trackpad, fantastic keyboard, and the specs to back up its sleek look? And you can find the model we reviewed for only $430? I'm definitely comfortable saying the 15 tons touch is the best laptop we took a look at in this tier. If HP came into this with something to prove, it proved it. Pros. Excellent balance of design and power. Sleek, understated trackpad. Cons. Filled with unwanted software. All in all, this is a great product and you should buy it. Highly recommended. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.